Hey, it's Derrick Sanderson with eXp Realty coming at you from Chico, California for this week's Monday morning market update. Every Monday, I take just a little bit of time and go over what's going on with single family residential homes here in the Chico area. As always, any questions about any segment of the market, definitely feel free to reach out. Honestly, anywhere in Butte County, I'm more than happy to get you that information. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look at some numbers. As I was preparing, I've known this is coming, and we've talked about a little bit about the market shifting. In all honesty, the market has shifted. It's continuing to trend in that direction. In fact, you'll see there's a lot of trending numbers. And yeah, it's just another sign and backs up what we already know. So as of about 9 o'clock this morning, there's 160 active listings on the market. That's a few more over last Monday. We have less homes under contract currently. That median list price has dropped, and that average days on market has increased yet again. So again, we've been tracking this, and it's good to just know, especially if you're getting ready to buy or sell. Okay, the last 7 days, we've only had 17 new listings. Only 21 have gone under contract. We had a massive jump in price reductions, 36 price reductions in the last 7 days. And the average days on market for those 36 homes is in the low 40s. So what that tells us is, honestly, they were overpriced when they first hit the market over a month ago. That's why they had to do a price reduction. The market rejected the list price. So that's something to keep an eye on as well. And only 19 homes closed in the last week. Taken a little bit further of a step back the last 30 days. We've only had 70 homes sell with an average of 24 days on the market, and the median list price and the median sales price dropped yet again, week over week. It's been dropping for the last couple months. There was a week or two with an anomaly in there, but by and large, these numbers right here are trending down, and this number is trending up. Okay, mortgage rates. The average this morning at about 9 a.m. was 5.73. It's up a little bit from last Monday. A lot happened on Friday with the stock market and the Feds giving a speech. It looks like we're going to have another rate hike in September, probably 75 basis points, so 0.75%, which as that date approaches later in September, this number is probably going to go up as well. So just something to keep an eye on, because as this number goes up, if you're a buyer, your purchasing power goes down. If you're a seller and this number goes up, you might be looking at having to buy down points for the buyer and or list at a lower price. So if you want to talk strategy, feel free to give me a call. I'm more than happy to have that conversation with you. Okay. Before we jump into the motivational quote, just wanted to share with you a listing that just hit the market on about a week ago, and it's in Oroville. However, it's a phenomenal location. There are very few homes with this much space in Oroville that are on the market, especially for under $325,000. And it has solar, which is huge. So I just want to throw that in front of you. If you know anybody that might be interested in this property, or maybe you, this would also make a really good investment property. So feel free to reach out. And then lastly, every Monday I post a Monday motivational quote. And this week's is, change the way you look at things, and the things you look at change. Another quote that goes hand in hand with this is, what you focus on expands. So at the end of the day, however you're choosing to think about something or perceive something, ultimately that's what's going to happen. We are preconditioned to look for bad, to negative things. And so what do we see? Negative things. Here's the reality. Instead of saying, oh my gosh, how horrible could this be? A different mindset or a different way to look at it might be, wow, what kind of opportunity is in front of me? So again, it's very subtle versus, oh my gosh, I have to deal with this, to wow, what kind of opportunity is this in front of me? So that's all I've got for you for this week. Monday morning market update. I'll see you all next week. Have a great week. Enjoy the last couple days of August, and we'll see you in September.